Steel homes are often marketed as stronger, cheaper, and more durable than traditional houses. But there are several hidden problems many homeowners discover only after construction is finished. Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Today, we were looking at 5 issues that can affect steel homes so you can make better building decisions. The first issue is thermal bridging. Steel conducts heat extremely well, which means outside temperatures can transfer through the structure more easily than in wood-framed homes. Without proper insulation and thermal breaks, energy efficiency can suffer. The second issue is condensation. Metal surfaces cool quickly, and when warm indoor air meets cold steel, moisture can form. Over time, this condensation can lead to mold, corrosion, or interior damage if ventilation systems are not designed properly. The third issue is insulation complexity. Insulation strategies for steel homes must prevent both heat transfer and moisture buildup. Many builders rely on spray foam insulation combined with interior framing to reduce direct contact between steel and living space. The fourth issue is sound transmission. Metal structures can amplify noise during heavy rain, wind, or hail unless proper insulation and acoustic design are included. The fifth issue is long-term maintenance. While steel is durable, protective coatings, fasteners, and seals must be maintained to prevent corrosion or structural wear over time. When steel homes are designed correctly, they can be extremely durable and efficient. But understanding these engineering challenges before construction is essential for long-term comfort and performance. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.